Hello and welcome everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to remove people from photos online without downloading any software. First of all, go to photopea.com in your web browser. This is a free online photo editor that works just like Photoshop. Click on Start using Photopea to begin. From there, click on Open from Computer and choose the image you want to edit. Once your image is opened in the editor, look at the left menu bar and click on the tool called Spot Healing Brush Tool. If you want to make the cursor bigger for easier selection, simply right-click and increase the size using the slider. Now, hold down the left mouse button and brush over the entire person you want to remove. And voila! They're removed from the photo. Sometimes there will be some small imperfections or areas that need touching up. Just zoom in to those spots. Make the brush smaller, and carefully brush over them as well. When you're happy with the result and ready to export your edited image, click on File at the top menu, then go to Export As, and choose your preferred file extension like PNG or JPEG, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.